Welcome guys, welcome again to a DIY video repair. What do we got here? We got a Whirlpool here. It's a top loader. If you're in the market for a new washer, this is if you're looking for something simple, nothing complicated, something that can do your wash your clothes. This is a Maytag. This is what it looks like from the back. This is for the cold water. This is the hot water connection there, and then you have the drain hose. Very simple, very easy, and this one actually comes with the agitator. So if you're in the market for a new washer, this is the one to go. If you don't like Samsung or LG, this is a very simple one. So here, all you gotta do is just one button on it, and it stops the cycle. So this is with the agitator. So if you into the agitator, definitely this one. If you don't like the pulsating plate, this is the one. This is the way to go. So here it's flashing. It's asking you for me to go ahead and restart the cycle, but I'm going to go ahead, hold the button for 5 seconds, and it's going to reset the whole cycle. So then I'll be able to pick another cycle. See, all the lights went off. So now I can pick another cycle. So let's go over the washer. So here is normally you find the models on the right side of the washer. The agitator is there. This one here, you can do big lows, little lows. See, I'm actually hitting the button on it again so I can start up the cycle. And then here, what do we got? We got a soil level, so you can actually adjust the levels of the soil. And you have over here for the temperatures, if you want to go hot, cold, medium, warm. Make sure you put it on the right temp. If you're not into the hot water, you can actually select cold water. So here, what do we have? We got the rinse option, so you can actually select 2 rinse, 1 rinse, or if you want to do automatic rinse. Or here you can actually adjust the level. You can actually auto sense. Basically what it does is sense the amount of clothes that you have. It will fill up the tub with enough water so that it's able to wash. So yeah, it's very basic. Overall, it's pretty good washer. So alright guys, so hopefully you guys liked the video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.